Hello all. Today we are going to tell you about the Aogashima Island, where you'll find a whole Japanese town inside an active volcano. So welcome to yet another episode of Amazing World, where we show you the most amazing things all over the world and also the universe. In this video, we will tell you about the Aogashima Island, its exact location, what makes this island so special or why it's famous, how did it form, history of its volcanic eruption, a brief story on how to reach there if you love traveling to amazing places, and a lot more. So stay tuned. We would never blame you if you think that this island is some photoshopped imaginative artwork of an illustrator. It definitely looks like a scene right out of some sci-fi movie, but you would be surprised to know that this island actually exists on our planet Earth, and the tiny Japanese town inside is actually made on an active volcano. Far away from the crowd, around 358 km to the south of Tokyo, there is a strange, remote, topographically interesting and gorgeous volcanic island. Called the Aogashima Island, it is the southernmost and most isolated inhabited island of the Izu Island chain, a group of volcanic islands stretching south and east from the Izu Peninsula of Honshu, Japan. This island is actually a stratovolcano formed of alternating layers of lava flows and broken pieces of material ejected from the volcano during an eruption. Extending 3.5 km in length with a maximum width of 2.5 km across, the island is located in the Philippine Sea, which is a marginal sea of the Western Pacific Ocean, east of the Philippine archipelago. So what makes this island so special and how did it form? It is special because the entire island is a volcanic crater or depression in the ground caused by the volcanic activity, within which there is another smaller volcano. Yes, you heard it right. The island is famous for having a volcano inside a volcano surrounded by dense jungle. Now what can be more magical and creative than this? Aogashima is a complex quaternary volcanic island, which means the volcano was active about 2.5 million years ago and is considered to be active to the present day. The island was formed by the overlapping remnants of at least 4 submarine calderas or large depressions formed when a volcano erupts and collapses, that are partially or fully submerged under the water. During the rainy season, the slopes of this beautiful island is getting eroded. To prevent the erosion, the locals have anchored the eroded areas with concrete walls. Did you know that the Aogashima Island volcano is still considered a Class C active volcano? Which means the volcano is still categorized as particularly dangerous by the International Association of Volcanology and Chemistry of the Earth's interior. The last eruption of Aogashima was during a 4-year period from 1781 to 1785. The current shape of the island dates back to a big eruption in 1785, after which Aogashima was uninhabited for around 50 years. Today there is a population of around 170 people on the island. Aogashima is a dream destination for nature lovers, explorers, and wanderlusters. But it is still largely untouched by tourism due to the remote location and lack of proper transportation to the area. There are no direct flights or ferry rides to this island. The use of helicopter from Hachijojima, the second last volcanic island in the Izu Island chain, is often the only way to land on Aogashima. The accommodation is limited to a few small hotels or the free island campsite. But why helicopter? Why not reach there by boat, you think? Because we care for you. Yes, you could end up trapped here pretty easily if the seas get rough or a tropical storm sets in. So we hope you enjoyed watching this video. We would definitely like to know if this amazing island is on your bucket list or not. Do let us know by leaving a comment below right now.